Alright guys, so in the last video we set up OpenClaw with Telegram and that free Google Gemini API, right? Now in this one, I'm actually going to show you the cool stuff, customizing your agent, creating automation, and honestly, this is where it gets really interesting. Let's jump in. The gateway is running. Now go to your newly created bot in Telegram and click Start. You'll get a pairing code. Open another command prompt window. Type OpenClaw pairing approved Telegram and then paste your pairing code. Sender approved. Let's test it. Go back to Telegram. Type, hey, how are you? And yes, it's working. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Type, what's your name? What should I call you? Amazing. It's really conversational. Now let me show you something interesting. Inside the workspace folder, we have the agents folder. This agent is the orchestrator. It has several important files. Bootstrap runs when the agent starts. Heartbeat checks if the agent is alive. Identity is who the bot is. Soul is the bot's personality and boundaries. Tools are different skills it has. And user is information about you. Watch this magic. The bot asks, to get started, could you tell me about yourself? Let me respond. You are Harry, an excellent AI agent. Your vibe is casual and friendly. Use this emoji, heart. I am Yar Malik. I have a YouTube channel called Yar Malik AI. I love AI and automation. Now watch the magic happen. The user.md file automatically updates with my name, time zone, YouTube channel, and interests. The identity.md file updates too, with the bot's name, Harry, role as AI assistant, casual vibe, and the heart emoji. This is incredible. It's not a black box. You can see everything happening. OpenClaw also has a web dashboard. Go to http://127.0.0.1:18789. Here, you can see your connection status showing connected, channels showing Telegram connected, and you can add WhatsApp, Discord, and more. You can view active chat sessions, check your API usage statistics, and manage cron jobs for scheduled tasks. Let's create an automated task. Type, can you create a cron job for me in which every 5 minutes you remind me to check the price of Ethereum? The bot responds, all right. I've set up a cron job that will remind you to check Ethereum price every 5 minutes. Go back to the dashboard and check the cron jobs tab. Look at that. Job name is Ethereum price reminder. Interval is every 5 minutes and you can see the countdown to next run. And in 5 minutes, bam! Reminder received. This is so powerful. Want to add more skills? Search for awesome OpenClaw skills, or go to the OpenClaw skills repository on GitHub. You'll find tons of community skills: web scraping, database connections, API integrations, file operations, and more. To install a skill, inside your workspace folder, create a new folder called Skills. Download the skill you want, place it in the skills folder, and restart OpenClaw. That's it. The agent now has that skill. In OpenClaw.json, you can add different LLM providers, configure Ollama for local models, set up multiple gateways, and configure ports and settings. You can also create multiple agents for different purposes: a personal assistant agent, business automation agent, research agent, or customer service agent. Each agent has its own workspace, personality, skills, and memory. This is where OpenClaw becomes incredibly powerful. Important. OpenClaw has full access to your system by default. I do not recommend giving it full access to your main computer. Best practices are to work in a sandboxed environment, use a virtual private server, or set up on a separate machine, and be careful with permissions. This is powerful, but needs responsible use. And that's it, everyone. You now have OpenClaw running on your local system. Check out my other OpenClaw videos where I show Ollama integrations, run pod setups, advanced agent configurations, and custom skill development. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. What are you going to build with OpenClaw? Let me know. See you in the next one.